Welcome to Math with Adam. Today we are going to be looking at intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Now the question says work out the value of x, y, and z. Okay, so we are going to work out the value of x, y, and z. Now before we do this, let's look at intersecting lines. So I'm going to draw a straight line and then another straight line across this. Okay, so we say that this line and this line intersect. Okay, they intersect because they have crossed each other. We say the two lines are intersecting lines. Okay, now there are some rules we need to follow. Now there's a rule that when two lines intersect, opposite angles are always the same. Okay, opposite angles are always the same. So for instance, if this angle is 120 degrees, the opposite angle will be here. It's also 120 degrees. All right, so when two lines intersect, opposite angles are always what? The same. So if this side is 120 degrees, then this side will also be 60 degrees and 60 degrees. So these are what? Opposite angles, and these are also opposite angles. Okay, now let's come back to this. Okay, so now knowing this, it is very easy to do this. So you realize that now it's easy to find angle y because 142, the angle 142 and y, they are opposite angles. So we said y, angle y equals to 142 because they are opposite angles. Okay, and we know that opposite angles are what? Equal. So we finish with the first one. Now let's look at the angle x. Okay, now you realize that this is a straight line. Okay, previously we learned about angles in a straight line. So if this is a straight line, part of the straight line is giving us 142. So it's easy to find the value of x. So we are going to say x plus, so we finish the first one. Let's say this is number 1. Okay, the value of y. So we are going to do number 2. That is the value of x. Okay, now x plus 142 equals to 180. 142 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Don't forget that. So let's come here. Our x equal to 180 degrees minus 142 degrees. So our x is equal to, so let's subtract 180 minus 142. Okay, so here we have what? 7 and then 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. This becomes 3 and 0. So the angle is 38 degrees. So the value of the angle x is what? 38 degrees. Okay, so our x is what? 38 degrees. The value of x is 38 degrees. Now let's go to the last one, number 3. So now if the value of x, if the value of angle x is 38 degrees, then you realize that the angle x and the angle z, they are also opposite angles. Okay, angle 38, the x is 38, so z will also be 38. Okay, so now our z is equal to 38 degrees. Okay guys, so knowing that opposite angles are equal, I want you to find the value of the angle ABC. Find the value of the angle A, the angle B, and the angle C for me. Okay, write your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.